Hi everyone, my name is Heather Murphy and I am a second grade teacher in Wellington, Kansas. This is my third year teaching and today was actually our first day of school. So that was exciting. I have 20 kids this year, so I had 25 last year and so this is a little bit smaller, so I'm looking forward to it. I teach in an open classroom concept, and so there's two second grade teachers in the same room. And so we kind of co-teach and collaborate together, and she has 19 students, so we have about 39 students that we kind of teach together. Like I said, this is my third year teaching, so I just kind of got started, and I'm loving the classroom, but I also kind of do have a little passion, a little soft spot for the library. I loved it when I was growing up as a kid. That was my favorite spot to be in school, and so that kind of made me want to pursue this master's degree. I have already taken 3 classes this summer. I took, data and analysis, educational research, and instructional technology. I really enjoyed those classes. I really liked the Google community and the collaboration. I took 2 of those had the Google community and the collaboration. One just had Google Classroom where I turned in assignments. But we did have the live feed where we could ask questions and interact with others. And so I really enjoy that part of it because then you're not alone in it. There's actually other people and you can ask questions and get clarification if you need to. I enjoy online classes because I like the freedom of working whenever I have the chance or the moment, but if I had to pick a frustration, mine would probably be that there's not that human collaboration. If I have a question right away and I'm working on an assignment, you do have to kind of have that wait time by emailing someone or asking on the Google community. But I've learned to adjust to that. When I was getting my degree in elementary education, I did get my endorsement in special education, and those were all online classes, so I kind of had to figure out how online classes work. I'm a little nervous about teaching and going and taking online classes since I took all mine in the summer thus far, and so it will be a challenge to kind of juggle school and after school programs and then also these classes, but I'm excited. This is my first library class, so I'm really excited to get started on this. Outside of school, I just got married last September, so I'm coming up on a year. My husband works in IT and computers, so that helps me out a lot when I'm having trouble with my computer or technology in the classroom. And we just bought a house, and so we just remodeled it and got everything done, so I'm really excited that that is done and I can kind of slow down and just focus on school, teaching it, and being a student on this online classroom. Other than that, I'm just really excited to kind of start learning, and I can't wait to meet everyone and enjoy this class. So thank you for listening.